Sit up straight, look and bend your neck towards one foot. You should feel a moderate tension at the opposite neck muscles. The sensation of your stretch should be slightly closer towards the back of the neck and slightly down towards the shoulders. In order to increase the intensity, feel free to grab onto the side of your seat while leaning your body and head slightly more towards your foot. The more stretching you do throughout the day is when you begin to create lasting changes. Now it's your turn. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Now let's try the other side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.